Hi friends, welcome back once again to my physics channel. So in our series of modern physics problems from NEET examination JEE, we have one more problem, that is 2014 joint entrance examination question and 2014 లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాడు from modern physics, that is dual nature. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే you can see on the board there are two metal plates. And make a note, both are same metal plates. Okay na? Both are same metal plates. Some radiation is falling on this. The electron emission speed is u1 for the first metal and second metal it is u2. Now fellow is given the ratio of the speeds. u1 is to u10 ichadu, 2 is to 1 ichadu. That is ratio of the emission of the electron from the metal surface. And both the metals are same metals and please, same metals. Okay na? Andika work function kuda same ga untadu, maradu. Now we already is given hc value, Planck's constant into velocity of light value. Dentlo ichadu electron volts nanometer ichadu, that is 1240 ev nanometers. Okay na? And lambda 1 for the first plate, metallic plate and ichadu 248 nanometers, and for second plate is given as 310 nanometers. Question ఏంటంటే, what is the phi for the metal plate? What is the work function of the metal plate? So ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కి ఆన్సర్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు, 3.7, 3.2, 2.8, 2.5 electron volts. ఓకేనా? Now we'll use again once again Einstein's equation of photoelectric effect and we'll solve this problem for the both surfaces. We know from Einstein equation ఏంటది, Ke max, maximum kinetic energy, is equal to energy felt on the surface minus work function, because we already know whatever value of the incident light is falling on the surface, it should be greater than the work function. Then only the electron may emit from the surface according to Einstein's theory. So Ke max is equal to E minus phi. Okay na? Now Ke max forms as half mv square లేదా half mu square is equal to energy. What is energy? H nu. Okay na? లేదా hc by lambda minus phi. Okay na? సో హెచ్ న్యూ లేదా హెచ్సి బై లాంబ్డా. కానీ ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే చూడండి, హెచ్ న్యూని విల్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ హెచ్సి బై లాంబ్డా, బికాస్ హెచ్సి వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాడు వాడు. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ ఐ రైట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫ్యాషన్, హాఫ్ mu square is equal to h. In the place of nu I will write c by lambda minus phi, equation 1, because hc value వాడు ఇచ్చేసాడు, ఇది 1240 electron volts nanometers. So this equation we will use for the both metals for different different wavelengths. So first one, half m, already the ratio of velocity is అందించాడు, u1 is to u2 is to 1 అంటే u1 square, that is 2 square is equal to hc value ఇచ్చాడు ఎంత, 1240 ev nanometers by lambda 1 ఎంత, 248 nanometers. So 248 ఎన్నిసార్లు పోతుంది చూడండి, I think it exactly goes with 5 times. చెక్ చేసుకోండి, 5 8 40, 0 4, 5 4 20, 24, 4 2, 5 2 10, 11 12. So exactly 5 times minus 5. సో ఏమొచ్చింది ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 1/2 into m, 2 square అంటే ఎంత 4. ఓకేనా? is equal to 5 electron volts minus 5 electron volts minus 5. If you want this also you can cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 2m is equal to 5 ev minus 5, equation 2. Same thing apply for the second one, wavelength, that is half into m into u2 square, u2 అంటే the ratio 1 ఇచ్చాడు, is equal to e minus 5, again hc by lambda. ఒక హెచ్సి వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాడు ఎంత, 1240 ev nanometers by lambda 2, 310 nanometers cancel minus 5. ఇది కూడా 0 0 cancel, 31 1s are 31 4s are, you can see 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 times cancel అయింది. సో ఇదంతా ఏంది, 1 square అంటే 1 కాబట్టి m/2 is equal to 4 electron volts minus 5. This is of course equation 3. Clear? So equation 2m is equal to 5 electron volts minus 5. Equation 3 m/2 is equal to 4 electron volts minus 5. Now how to get 5 అడిగాడు మనకి work function of the metals because both the metals are same. So what we'll do, we'll divide the equation 1 with 2. 1 are the 2. Equation 2 divided by equation 3. Equation 2 2m. Equation 3 m by 2 is equal to 5e minus 5 by ఇదంతా 4ev minus 5. సో ఇదంతా అవుతుంది 2m by m, 2 పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఇంటూ 2mm get cancel is equal to 5ev minus 5 by 4ev minus 5. Clear? Note చేసుకోండి. Note down. I'll rub this portion because I don't have place. Clear? Right. Now almost the problem is over and mathematical anthani cancel అయిపోయి 2 2s are 4 left side, right side ఏం మిగిలింది 5ev, that is of course electron volts minus 5 by 4ev minus 5. Cross multiply 4 into think అంటే 4 4 is 16ev minus 4 5 is equal to 1 time 1 into అంటే 5ev minus 5. ఈ 5 లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొచ్చేస్తే 16 ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వోల్ట్స్ మైనస్ 5 ఎలక్ట్రాన్, ఐల్ టేక్ దిస్ వన్ టు ద రైట్ సైడ్, అప్పుడు ప్లస్ అయిపోతుంది 4 5 minus 5. 16 minus 5 that is 11 electron volts is equal to 4 minus 3. 4 5 minus 4 5 minus 5 and that's 3 5, where 5 is the work function. So therefore 11 by 3 electron volts is equal to 5. 11 by 3 and that's nearest ga 3 3s are 9, 2 point, చూడండి I'll divide here 3 with 11, 3 3s are 9, 2.0, 3 6s are 18, again 3 6s are, so 3.66 is repeating, 3.66 repeating. So answer check చేయండి 3.7, 3.2, 2.8, 2.5. 3.66 అంటే you can add one from mathematics, okay, that is decimal maths. Therefore this is nothing but almost equal to 3.7 electron volts. So the first one is the right answer, please. Okay na? So what do you want to do? 5 అడిగాడు work function because the metal is same, only the wavelength has given different values. Therefore the work function value is almost equal to 3.66 and 3.7 electron volts. Clear? So these problems మీరు బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి because in the examination in NEET and MCET you'll be getting one question guarantee. Okay, again we'll meet in the next video.